Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice 6-drawer dresser that we're going to redo. So follow along, subscribe as we take all the drawers out, get all the hardware off, sand it down, and get this thing painted. Ready? Alright, step one is going to be to remove the hardware. As we're taking the drawers out, we're going to check the subframe, make sure the tracks are good, see if there's any damage or anything that we need to watch for when we sand. So let's begin. You didn't bring any of your tools? I'll do it. Alright, this is the part where we sand it all down. We've looked it over, made sure all the drawers are good, made sure the frame's all good. We're going to go through, sand the top really nice. It's got a little bit of a smooth surface to it, so we'll get that nice and sanded. We'll do the drawers, we'll do the frame. The piece itself, it looks pretty good. So we'll go from there. So, do you want to sand? Do you want to put the mask on? Mask on! Okay, let's get started. Supervise? Alright. Alright, we have it all ready to go, vacuumed out, wiped down, and we've got our drawers that we're going to start with. We're going to do a nice pink color. Is that okay? It's okay. So we're going to do a light, well, maybe a medium pink here. We'll do the drawers once, we'll do the frame once, and then we'll come back and do that second coat on them. So, let's get started. Bella, you want to do this? No? Okay. Guess I'll be doing this part too. Alright, it is now painted, dried, so what we're going to do is put a polyurethane clear stain or satin on top and do the whole piece here, let it dry. Put the drawer handles on while it's drying. We'll get this under the tree for final pictures and final video. Here it is completed. It's a 6-drawer French dresser and a nice pink. Can't wait to see this in somebody's house. Maybe it'll fit into somebody's nursery or a little girl's room. So if you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram. And maybe one of these days I'll get that dog to help me paint one of these dressers.